Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to identify common, missing, and low address themes in your proposal with the Gap Analysis application. This app streamlines the RFP to proposal process by identifying important terms in the RFP. Let's get started. From the Welcome page, click Start. In the Task menu, click Gap Analysis, then click Next. Select a project from the Projects menu. Click the checkbox next to the documents you want to review and click Analyze. The Analysis Results page opens with the results. In the table, it will show a side-by-side of the document concept items along with the count of how many times that concept shows up within the document. If this tutorial was helpful, click here or subscribe to see more videos to learn how to use the Content Analytics platform in a quick and easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.